When you're looking for something random to do, check out this channel. Here is another thing I got at a garage sale, and I wanted to hook it up because might as well do it. I'm not doing anything else. Right now, my hose is just laying randomly about on the floor. So let's see if I can hook this up and get it working. Here we go. Okay, boom. I don't really know how this thing works or how to hook it up. It's been kind of sitting somewhere, so I hope this wasn't a bad purchase. But I think I just need to unscrew my water hose like so, and screw this one from the actual hose reel into my water hose spout. Okay, there we go. Oh, I keep scraping my hand up. Ow. Be careful when y'all do this, because my hand is bleeding. Okay, now I guess I take my water hose and I just screw it on here. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to get it as tight as I can get so no water starts leaking out of these things. I feel like these things probably have a tendency to leak. So I'm trying to get it as tight as I can. Probably should use some pliers or something, but oh well. Let's turn on. Oh, it's leaking. It's leaking already. Let's see. Wonder where it's leaking from. It's leaking from right there. I think I'm gonna have to just, you know, unattach it. But even if it's leaking, I still think this is a great buy, because now I can have my hose wrapped up here instead of sprawled across my whole entire backyard. So I think it's still a great buy. I'll just have to keep the hose plugged up to my actual house. I won't be able to use the hose mechanism. But that's okay. I'm not mad about it. Still a great buy. It's leaking though. My hose got a whole bunch of water in it. But boom, there we go. So now my hose isn't sprawled across the backyard. It's nicely put up here. Perfect for me. I say it's great. Thank you for watching my video. Tune in for the next one. If you would like to see me do something special, write it down in the comments. Like and subscribe.